everyone and welcome to Fragrance Direct's YouTube channel. My name is Christina Maria and today I'm going to be showing you how to do this full glam autumn makeup tutorial. So I'm going to start off by using the Elizabeth Arden Visible Difference Good Morning Retexturizing Primer. This is actually a really awesome primer if you have dry skin like me. You really don't need too much of it, you just need to kind of dot a very small amount all over the face. The foundation I'm going to be using today is by Guerlain and it's called Gold Radiance Foundation, or Parure Gold. I've probably said that completely wrong, but it's really beautiful. It's actually really good as well for dry skin, dehydrated skin. And then just buffing it into the skin. I actually have fake tan on at the moment, so I don't really tan my face with fake tan, so I want my foundation to match the rest of my body. Next I'm going to be going in and doing my under eye concealer. I'm going to be using the Clinique Line Smoothing Concealer. I really like this concealer. It's also really good if you have a dry under eye area. As you can see, it hasn't sunk into any dry patches and it's covered my dark circles pretty well. So I'm using Billion Dollar Brows and this is their Triple Threat Triangular Brown Pencil. I really like the fact that you can brush your brows, which I always have to do because I'm growing them out at the moment, so they're an absolute mess. But I have found that during this process of growing them out, which I'm sure a lot of people are in, I have a lot of really sparse areas, but if you brush them upwards, it will give you an idea for the shape that you want to create before you've actually gone in with the pencil. And once they're both done, I like to give them just another little brush through to make sure that the product has got through everywhere. Moving on to the eyes, I'm using this gorgeous, absolutely stunning palette by Daniel Sandler. It's called Beyond Sunset. These colours are really gorgeous and they can be used alone, but for this look I'm going to be using these three here. So we're going to be using this as the transition shade, we're going to be using this in the crease, and we're going to be using this beautiful gold on the lid. So this is going to act as my transition shade. So when I think of autumn, I really do think of these like browns and like beautiful golds. It's actually my favourite time of the year. Next I'm going to go in with this slightly darker colour. Another nice gorgeous chocolatey brown. I'm just going to apply that to the outer corners. I'm then going to apply the same two shades to the bottom of the eyelid. Next I'm going in with a damp flat brush and I'm just going to take that beautiful golden colour and place it on the centre of the lid. You could also do this with a dry brush, but I feel like making it slightly damp just makes the colour slightly punchier. Now for the fun bit, I'm going in with Prima's Diamond Metallic Eye. Now this is a gorgeous powder glitter and I'm just going to apply this to the centre of the eye. I really love how these two colours, the two golds, mix together to make a kind of gold bronzy tone, and I just think it's really beautiful. Next I'm using MAC's PowerPoint Eye Pencil in Stubborn Brown. I'm going to use this to line the waterline. Next I'm using Maybelline's Colossal Express Volume Mascara. I really do love this mascara, it really does volumise the lashes and lengthen them. Next I'm using a contour stick by Collection and it is their Precision Contour. It is in Light 01. This is a cream contour, so I'm going to be using a sponge to blend it in. Also, as this is a precision contour stick, it's actually really good for contouring the nose. It's also a really nice light colour, so it's not going to look overly done. So you can be really precise with exactly where you want to place it. And then I'm finished. No, I'm just kidding. Next for blusher, I'm using this NARS dual blusher in Panic, and this is the most gorgeous colours in here, guys. So you have a really beautiful pink, but I'm going to be using this one here, which is a really nice peachy kind of bronzing blusher. I also like to take that slightly up under the eye, and just with what you have left on your brush, like to just brush just a tiny bit over the nose, just to sort of give you that sun-kissed look. Next I'm going to be using this beautiful highlight by Technic. It is their Get Gorgeous liquid highlighter in Bloom, and this colour is so beautiful. So it looks white, but it's actually like, it's a white but with a really beautiful pink hue. I'm just going to pat that in with my fingers. So just a little touch on the bridge of the nose and on the tip. Next for the lips, I'm going to be using a MAC combination of a lip liner in Dervish, and then this is the Matte Viva Glam No. 3. This is such a beautiful autumnal colour. This is my perfect autumn colour. Now I'm going to go in with the Viva Glam 3 lipstick. Now that the lips are done, I'm actually going to go in with the highlighter again, just for a finishing touch. I'm going to actually apply it to the inner corners of the eye. And lastly, to finish off this whole look, I'm going to be applying the Ardell Magnetic Lashes. I've never actually used magnetic lashes before. Okay, wow, that was way easier than I thought it would be. And that's the finished look, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial.